Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
UMP ka Congress na tura Saleng sangma ula therting ya ka sarkar BJP halor ka jingle bam sunyo ya ki Khristan hakaleng saudong kari habakran makinong thok khubor Saleng sangma ula yathuru baka sarkar BJP ka jupen shitam ben ya ki Khristan man kapor bad kumbashi spak ndai pusan ngut ki Khristan hadu menta ki jusha pen shitam nadu basdang usnem 8000 apusan ya kini ka jingkhen la yo kat kum ka kai phot jong ka Jingshah thombor ki Khristan ha kari kumjuru ha usnem baladab usnem arhaja apusaw hado praspa tamngut ki bala shapen shitom ha kari ha usnem arhaja apulai hado kumba nyos pa tamngut bad ha usnem arhaja apuar hado kumba sans pa ngut ki pat riunget ki ba shapen shitom omtang kata ulay thuru baman laki Jylla baka BJP ka Synshar ka judan ka jingpen shitom ben ye ki Khristan bad nalor jong kata ha kabayade bad kasni utrai satlai Kabadairu kasni kraw ki pat riunget Khristan Catholic ka BJP ka Synshar ha New Delhi kamsham la ailat bad kala shu ai daw da kumne kumtai ulapan ramjorru baka sarkar kampan bed halor kane ka Jingshah bad kin Khmih Lynti ayu na ki Jylla Synshar da ka sing BJP bad kane ka labanja ha ka Jylla Meghalaya ru ha ka nuku por ne yo ki la bo luparu ya ka jo ka jingthmu ha ka Jylla.
This BJP government is not persecuting or attacking the Christians. It's not a new thing actually. They have been attacking the Christians every now and then. This year itself, in the month of January, around 55 numbers of Christians were persecuted, attacked. Even in the month of February, around 65. Even in the month of March, around 90 something. And total till April, it's coming up to 195 like that, according to the violence attack on Christian report. So likewise in 2024 also around 800 plus was persecuted, attack in India itself. In 2023 around 700 plus was attacked. In 2022 around 500. So likewise every year this BJP rule state is attacking the Christian. This is not a new thing. And moreover, when you talk about the Palm Sunday, it's a traditional way of, accepting the Christ coming to the Jerusalem. Okay, so it's a rally. It's a traditional rally. They should have allowed it. Okay, so it's not a new thing. What do you expect from the the state which is run by the BJP party? It can happen in no time. It can happen in Meghalaya also. It's coming. It will happen because they might pressurize our state also. They might do so, the same thing. It's happening some part. Look at all the other institutions also. They are trying to bulldoze. Look at the post office. Okay, they are trying to appoint from someplace else and then trying to bring here all those people from outside the state. Likewise, it's happening, and then our government is not looking into this matter seriously.
So what do you have to say?
So they didn't go, spiritedly enter the charge. They just a gimmick show only, just to pacify the people that they see I am onto this and like that. Just for the show that they went to the church. In reality, you can see what has happened even in Manipur. So more than 200 plus church was attacked. Did he say something about that one? No. Last time also there was an attack in Uttarakhand, in Jharkhand. Everywhere it's attacking is happening. Did he say something about those things? No, none. Look at just recently the what do you call this one? The controversial bill that they have passed inside the session. So those things are attack on the constitution. Now, right of freedom of religion, right of freedom of speech, right of fundamental right, everything has been seized. What do you expect from this government? It will keep on happening, and then one day I think we'll all be left out, and then if people doesn't fight right now, we still have a time to fight. If people doesn't bother, people doesn't care, we'll all be wiped out. We won't have any rights, no rights anymore. Look at now, everybody is using WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and all. Now they are trying to seize in this one also. No privacy will be there anymore. How they have trying to bulldoze this one even inside the parliament. Look at no secrecy, nothing will be left anymore. So where is the right of privacy anymore? There won't be.
Like Congress have condemned this situation that happened yesterday. CPI and the CM of
Kerala also. But
not only Congress, everybody is condemning. Yes.
but we have seen that the Chief Minister of Meghalaya till now, he has not said anything with regards to that incident.
How do you expect that he will say? He's part of the NDA? Come on, he's part of the BJP only. He cannot say, and he won't say also. So that is part and parcel of his duty.